Hello again, this is Larry BL. This is episode 2 of the garden tractor electrical systems. Today we're going to talk about the voltmeter. Some tractors come with voltmeters, some you can actually install a separate voltmeters, and then other tractors, if you need to take voltage measurements, you would need to purchase a voltmeter. This is a meter known as a volt ohm meter. To check the voltage on a battery, you want to connect the red wire on your voltmeter to the positive terminal of the battery, and you want to connect the black wire of your meter to the negative terminal of the battery. Here I've used jumper cables so I can have the voltmeter connected while I demonstrate the different voltages. So we turn the voltmeter on and make sure you put it on the DC setting, because it does have an AC setting. We are looking at the DC direct current voltage of the battery, which right now is at 12.6 volts. That is a standing voltage of the battery. And there's 3 voltages that you really need to be concerned with your garden tractor. The standing voltage needs to be 12 volts or better, which this one is. Okay, then there's a cranking voltage. So when you put the battery under load by trying to start the engine, the battery voltage will fall, but you don't want it to fall below a certain point. What I've found, anything usually below 9 or 8 volts is not sufficient to crank the engine. So to demonstrate that, I'm going to pull the choke out on the engine, which will cause it not to start. And we are going to go ahead and crank the engine and watch the voltage drop. So as you've seen there, I had a voltage drop of 10.8 volts. 10.8 volts is well sufficient to start the engine. Okay, the third voltage that you need to be interested in is the charging voltage. So obviously as you operate the starter and accessories of the tractor, the voltage, the charge current and the voltage needs to be replenished. So to charge the battery, you need a voltage above 12.5 volts. We are at 12.5 volts now. So we'll go ahead and start the tractor, and the normal voltage is usually above 13. Usually between 13 and 14 volts. So here we'll demonstrate that. Okay, as you can see, it takes a little bit of time because these charging circuits and these tractors are only rated around 3 to 9 amps, unlike a car circuit. So it does take it a little bit of time, but you do look for an increase in voltage, which we have. And that is the way to actually use a voltmeter to test your battery and your electrical system for the lawn tractor. Thank you.